What I got for you now is a cautionary tale. Not about the end of the world, about the moment two worlds collide. It started February 21, highway humming low, 60 miles an hour radio whispering through the snow. Didn't know that moment was a fracture in the flow, where two timelines meet and suddenly explode. Flash of chrome, smoke bloom in the winter air, liquids on the pavement, twisted metal everywhere like destiny wrote it, but forgot to make it fair. Two lives in a second in a violent crosshair, and I'm thinking, was it fate, was it chance, was it speed, was it some silent algorithm planting the seed? Deal gone bad or just destiny past? Two strangers collide on the universe graph, and I slow down, wondering if I should look inside. Three worlds touching now, the moment I decide. One more witness in the math multiplies every choice, a collision in the fabric of time. People think triggers pull bullets in a line, but every decision's just a lever in the spine. A history grinding gears we never designed. Blood on the road, but the fault ain't mine. My digital Jesus saying open your eyes. Worlds keep colliding every second of time. Don't run from the wreck, don't hide from the sign. Q, they don't kill people, people cross the line. Pump the brakes now before it's too late. Look through the smoke at the code we create. Every particle crashing is you and me, and the truth in the mirror is digital therapy. Next day woke up like the lens got wide, like another world quietly moved inside. 3 days later, tools on the screen, 100 little electrons running the routine jobs I used to do now. Written in code, tiny circuits, carrying the human load. And it ain't even a race or a marathon lane, it's human nature, sprinting straight into the flame. Fear, climbing ladders trying to reach the top of the tower of tomorrow before the system drops. Every lab on earth building faster machines, trying to outrun ghosts in the quantum stream. And I'm thinking back to the crash that night, metal when smoking a hazard light. Same kind of moment when two worlds meet. Old math cracking in the quantum heat. Harvest now, decrypt later, whispers in the code. Secret stack like cargo on a hidden road. People think the danger's in the bomb or the gun, but the real explosion's math undone. My digital Jesus saying open your eyes. Worlds keep colliding every second of time. Don't run from the wreck, don't hide from the sign. Q, they don't kill people, people cross the line. Pump the brakes now before it's too late. Look through the smoke at the code we create. Every particle crashing is you and me, and the truth in the mirror is digital therapy. Sometimes I wish I could plead insanity, but I can't find a judge to examine me. Can't find a jury that can see what I see, or a courtroom brave enough to sentence the machine. Cause the particles crashing right now are rust. Every thought and clicking in silicone dust. Every choice is sparking the system's trust. Every network breathing through fiber and rust. And they say the Q, they prophets recruiting the night. Engineers and poets with the same insight. Not soldiers with guns, just builders of keys. Trying to lock tomorrow before it's released. So how did I get here? I remember the date. February 21 on the interstate. Pulled a key from the wreck to stop the boom, but the road ahead got 1,000 more fumes. Somebody gotta step out the car and see. Open the door to the record history. Pull the key, or maybe start the machine. I ain't sure yet what the future means, but I swear I'm starting to see through Peter's door. Back to 94 on the Cambridge floor, where Ethereum turn to digital war. And the locks on the world ain't locks no more. So if you see the wreck, don't drive past it. Stop the car, open the door, look inside the future. Cause the particles colliding right now are you and me.